we want to plot the graph of y equals 3x minus 2. Once again, this is the equation of a straight line. When plotting a straight line, we strictly speaking only need 2 points, but I always like to take 3. We create a table of values. Just choose 3 convenient x values, such as 0, 1, and 2. So when x is 0, substituting into the equation, we have y is 3 times 0, take away 2, which is minus 2. When x is 1, y is equal to 3 times 1 take away 2. 3 take away 2 is 1. And when x is 2, y is 3 times 2 take away 2. 6 take 2 is 4. So we need to plot 0 minus 2, 1, 1, and 2, 4. We need to draw a straight line through the points and label it. Let's just take a quick look at the equation. We have a number on its own, minus 2. See how this is where the line crosses the y-axis. We also have a number multiplying the x, the number 3. If we look at the graph, every time we go 1 unit across, the graph goes 3 units upwards. The numbers 3 and minus 2 are important features of the graph called the gradient and the intercept, and we'll be talking more about those shortly.